Pythagorean Theorem. Hypotenuse squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. Many students have learned the Pythagorean theorem as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I prefer to teach it as c squared equals a squared plus b squared to emphasize that the quote c end quote must be the hypotenuse length or the equation will not work. Whenever I tell my students that there was a guy named Pythagoras, they laugh, of course, because that was a common name 2,000 years ago, and very strange to today's students' ears. Pythagoras came up with the brilliant Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is the fact that for any and every right triangle, the sum of the square of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. I like to write it as c squared equals a squared plus b squared, or hypotenuse squared equals leg squared plus leg squared, or hyp squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. Triangle sides have names. There are two legs, parentheses, like a human, end parentheses, attached to the largest angle and the hypotenuse, which is the longest side opposite or across from the 90-degree angle, parentheses, the largest angle, end parentheses. The Pythagorean theorem illuminates that for a 90-degree triangle, the sum of the legs squared always equals the hypotenuse squared. I like to write the Pythagorean theorem as hypotenuse squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. Related words: hypotenuse, legs, sides of a right triangle, opposite, adjacent, right angle, right triangle.